Right, in this really quick video, I'm going to show you how you can use clay.com to find recent company news about any company you're looking for using just their domain name. Just before I start, the main context for why you would want to use this, I mean, you could use this in a range of creative ways, but one of the most common reasons I see people wanting to do this is for a personalized first line, to actually make the email that they're sending with their offer more relevant to the person and actually give a reason why they're reaching out at this exact point in time. So, without further ado, all you need to do is go to enrichments, type down news, and then filter for enrichments. And you'll see all the options you have. So, here you've got a waterfall enrichment, which uses a few different data sources. It will use Google News, it will use Predict Leads, and it will use Intellisense. Cannot pronounce that. You can use this, but I prefer just to use Predict Leads. The main reason being is most of the time, if your company's big enough, it's probably going to find some kind of news article about them. If you're targeting smaller companies, then the waterfall might be relevant for you. But the main reason I like Predict Leads is because one, it gives us 100 results rather than 10 results like Google does. Google News only gives us 10 results. And the other benefit of it is you can filter for like the type of news you're looking for, whether that's a mergers and acquisition or some other kind of important change that a company's making. You can actually filter for that. So you just click on there, use whichever, if you've got an API, put it in there. If you're using tokens, use tokens. And then here in the categories, you can add in what you're looking for. So company acquires another company, like a mergers and acquisition, all the way down to company going public, closing offices, all of those main changes. I would probably leave this open if you're just doing a personalized line. And if you're looking to make it more relevant, so you don't want news from like a year ago, you can set a date in there. So like maybe maximum 1 month ago. And then simply run this. I want all of this data usually. And then you can just run that. And then when it's finished enriching for each company, you're going to see all of these 100 different press releases it's found. So, for example, the Dallas partners with Google, or IDEMIA group partners with Google. Google launches VO 3.1. Obviously, this is a weird example because it's Google, but if you're targeting smaller companies, you'll find really relevant news results from there. And then with that data, you can then start personalizing your lines and making your email outreach more relevant. If you found that useful and you're interested in having us do this for your B2B company, and implement outbound systems so you don't have to do it, you don't have to go through the steep learning curve, you can simply book a call with the link below and we can have a quick chat about whether this would work for you. Other than that, thanks for watching the video.